What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Day 2 of fishing. Got out here pretty early this morning. Sorry, I gotta check the time. It's 8:30. Been fishing for probably like 7 minutes and maybe the bite's not on. And I thought I was hooked up on a fence. And I caught this baby gill. Baby gill. There you go. I caught this little girl. Just swimming around out there. I'm just gonna put it right here. That's a pretty... Okay, buddy. I gotta end this video so I can get it off of there. Not a bad little fish. Decent mouth on it, if you guys can see. Anyways, gonna give her a fish kiss. Mwah. I don't actually kiss the fish, I just say I do. And send her off. Yep. Alright, well, fish number 1. I'm on the board, baby. So after doing a little bit of fishing this morning, we came back out this evening, me and my friend Bentley. He's complaining because he keeps getting caught up in the weeds. But then as soon as I'm about to leave to go help him, I caught this monster bass, guys. Look at that baby gill. That baby gill. Oh my gosh, look at the mouth on that thing. It is awesome. Here, let me give you guys a better view. That's a good fish. I'm not lying. Am I lying, Bentley?
No.
No, I ain't lying. Look at this thing. That's probably the best fish I've caught this weekend. So anyways, we're going to let the baby gill go. Woo! See ya! Okay. Bentley, have you caught anything?
No.
Well, I just did. Right here, baby. That's a good sized bluegill. Just going to let her swim right off. Try not to step in the water. Oh, oopsies. Come on, little fishy. Go, little fishy. Go, little fishy. Oh, jeez. Go, little fishy. Ah, come on, fishy. Yeah, no. Okay, hold on. Take a picture. Take a video. They're coming back. Did you see them? Mm-hmm. I guess. I'm driving with one hand still. I had to hold my phone in the other. Woohoo! Let's go! We're having fun, aren't we, little Bill? Yeah. There might be some deer down here in the beans now. Bentley, can you hit the brake? Or not? No, I can just do everything. Oh, well, that ain't nice. Jeez, get that spider off of me. Ew. I hate spiders.
Hey, look at all this blood coming.
Oh, really? Alright. Deer. There's a deer. Where? See it? Oh, yeah. We got a deer, ladies and gentlemen. They're just sitting here at the top. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, you don't see them?
I see them. See them with antlers? I don't know if they have antlers or not. Don't take off, don't take off, don't take off. Please don't take off, please. Are there any more deer? I think these are the two from before. These are definitely the two from before. Yeah, they're off. That one's leaving. The other one's just standing there looking at us. All the other ones. Normally you only do that to get them to stop, so you have time to shoot them. Okay, just be really still. Don't do that. Be really, really still. We found deer, Bentley. Bentley, we found deer. Stop spitting. What are you doing? Yeah, he's spitting. Dang it, that other one's gone now. No, they're blowing now. Did you hear it, Bentley? They just blew. Matt! 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 That.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one. There was 3 of them. That's 3 deer. So we've seen 5 deer now, Bentley.
Yeah.
5 deer.
You gotta tell them when we get home.
Mm-hmm.
6! Bro!
6. That's 6 deer. That's 6 deer. That one's got antlers. It looks like it.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yes, we have bucks. Sound like a freaking cow.